Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week could change the global economy forever. Stay tuned. This week, the world is sitting on a tipping point. From rising tensions in the Middle East, to billions flowing into Ukraine, to a global push for resources like water. The question is simple. Are we heading into a new financial era or a global crisis? Right now, the most important story in the world isn't being fully understood. The United States has increased pressure in the Middle East, especially around the Straits of Hormuz. Why does this matter? Because nearly 20% of the world's oil flow through the single choke point. If anything disrupts that flow, oil prices don't just rise, they spike. When oil spikes, inflation follows, markets react, and everyday people feel it at the pump and in their wallets. This is not just geopolitics, this is your cost of living. Meanwhile, in Europe, they are preparing for a massive financial move, over 90 billion euros for Ukraine. This is not just aid, that's liquidity entering the system. And historically, when governments inject money at this scale, it has a ripple effect, such as currency pressures, bond market shifts, and long-term inflation risks. The real question everyone needs to be asking is, who benefits from this money, and where does it ultimately flow? This week also marks Earth Day, but this year feels different. There's a massive global push towards one thing, water. Clean water initiatives targeting billions of people are accelerating. And here's what most people don't realize. In the next decade, water could become more valuable than oil in certain regions. Investors are already watching. Water infrastructure, agriculture, land with access to clean resources. This isn't just environmental. It's the next asset class. At the same time, while major shifts are happening, the world is distracted. Events like the White House Correspondents' Dinner dominates headlines, while financial and geopolitical changes happen quietly in the background. Even something like the meteor showers last week captures attention, but behind the scenes, markets are repositioning, and smart money is already moving. So what does all this mean for you? 3 major trends are forming right now. Rising geopolitical risk, such as volatility in the oil and the markets, massive government spending, long-term inflation pressures, and shifts to real assets, such as commodity, land, hard resources. You could add gold, Bitcoin, real assets, and collectibles even. Because when uncertainty rises, people move towards things that hold value. The world doesn't change overnight, but weeks like this, they set the direction for years to come. If you understand what's happening now, you position yourself ahead of the curve. Subscribe to this channel for weekly breakdowns of money markets, crypto, and real assets. Because in times like these, information is the most valuable asset you own. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a prosperous day.